Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the vlog. This vlog went horribly wrong. I tried filming this about 3 weeks ago, 3 different times, 3 different days or 4 different days, and it just kept getting worse and worse and worse. So the whole premise behind the vlog was for me to show you that I'm finishing up my wiring on the FD, closing up the interior panels, making everything nice and neat, mounting the HKS boost controller, just getting everything sorted and closing up the interior, and then that's finished, done and dusted. So the first time I go into the garage, I'm working on the car, 20 minutes in plus minus, daughter starts crying, she's sick, can't work on the car any longer, had to go inside, and we had to do hospitals, doctors, blah blah blah. So basically I wasn't able to finish anything. I did a little bit of the wiring cleanup, I tucked some wires behind the back of the panels and all that stuff, but I didn't get to close up. Anyway, 2-3 days plus minus, not sure on the timelines yet, it was quite a while ago, 2 or 3 days plus minus, I tried again, went into the garage, and well, this time I was able to finish all the wiring, closed up the panels. I was then going to start mounting the HKS boost controller and all the other toys inside, getting them fixed properly, and I was being a little bit lazy and stupid. Let me show you how and why. So like I said, I was busy sorting out all the wiring. Everything's pretty much closed up, and that I just need to tuck underneath and then fit my electronic toll control system properly. No, I didn't just fart, it's my knee rubbing against the door. EFC and, well, all the goodies. Just tuck that wire in and I'm done. Now, I'm kind of like lying down over here somewhere. As you can see, the wall is right here. And there's not much space, so I was like lying down in here working underneath. And on the seat, I had a pair of scissors and a pair of side cutters. And I needed to cut some of the cable ties I was working with. And I couldn't reach because I'm not a contortionist. I was being fucking lazy. So what did I have in front of me? That. Try to cut one cable tie and went right into my thumb. Come on, focus. Super deep. It's been like a week and a half plus minus since that happened. So it has closed up. I should have gone and gotten stitches. I decided to try and carry on with the vlog. And then my daughter started crying again because she got sick again. So anyway, long story short, cut my thumb open pretty badly. Decided to carry on working on the car. That didn't happen. And anyway, I just bandaged it up, cleaned it up, bandaged it up, but I bandaged it up wet. Went the next day to the doctors. They said, well, the nurse, and she said, probably should have gotten some stitches, and can't do it now because the skin's all wet and it looked like an old granny's thumb, so couldn't do anything. They put some steri strips or something that like sealed it. It was like some dissolvable stitches and closed it up. Anyway, it looks a lot better. Actually looks pretty bad, but better than what it was. I decided I've got all the footage I need to show you guys that I'm almost finished, so I decided to do some pro work, and I whipped up the old green screen, lighting, big camera, and decided to sit down and narrate it and talk to you guys about the whole plan and all that bullshit. And what happened? Daughter started crying again. And she's been really sick the last 3 weeks, but so we managed to figure out the problem, which was awesome. We had some x-rays and ultrasound done, and I'm not going to go into details with it, it's all personal stuff, but she is so much happier now. Things are a lot better, but I wasn't able to freaking get this vlog out. I've been meaning to get this vlog out, and I've been meaning to work on cars and vlog and do all sorts of stuff for a number of weeks now. And obviously family comes first at the end of the day, and cars will always be second, third, whatever. So unfortunately, that meant YouTube. You guys weren't getting any videos, you guys weren't getting any content. Very sorry about that. That being said, I was still on Instagram, still posting, because that's like easy. I'm at work, I can quickly flip up, pull out my phone and then put a post together, or just something, just to keep you guys updated. So if you're not following me on Instagram, it's at NelKelJDM. Appreciate any support. And so by the time you guys are watching this video, I think I may have just hit 3,000 subscribers. because as of filming this, I'm on 2997. Probably upload this in 2 or 3 day time, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to hit 3k. Thank you so much. I'll do a 3k subscriber video thing. It's actually a Q&A. I asked you guys a bunch of questions on Instagram a little while ago, so I'll be answering those, and in a YouTube video a little while ago, and a couple of people asked. I haven't forgotten. I'm going to be doing that. If you have any other questions, ask me in the comments below and I'll add it into the Q&A. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. See you all in the next one. Peace.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen. That shit is all fiction, cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.